Hello Google Sheet Geek. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the 2024 Habit Tracker Google Sheets template. So underneath this video in the description box, you will find a link to this blog. And when you scroll down just a little bit, you'll get to how to get the free template. You want to make sure you're logged into your Google account. Then click this link to make a copy of the template. You will then arrive at this screen prompting you to make a copy. So click the blue button. You will arrive at a template, a copy of the template where you're free to do whatever you want. Let's start at setup. Yeah, there are two tabs. We have the setup tab where you write your own habits, and the habit tracker tab where you'll do the actual tracking. So in the setup tab, there are only two things to do. You want to get rid of these habits, or if you actually want to do these, you can keep them there. But let's say we don't go to the gym, we want to take a dance class instead, and we want to, I don't know, go to bed at 11. Yeah, there is enough space for you to write habits within this box without you needing to make any adjustments to the template. So feel free to go wild. These emojis will appear based on how many habits you tick off on any given day. You can leave these in here for now, but if you want to add your own, that's also totally possible. That's up to you. Here you have the emoji keyboard shortcuts for Windows and for Mac. But for now, I'm going to leave this in here. Moving on to the Habits Tracker tab. There are only a few things to do before you can start tracking your habits. We want to change the year. Well, it was already set correctly, but let's pretend we're still in 2023 and you want to set this up for 2024. In the orange box, write out the year, and you will see that the dates dynamically update based on your settings. What's also a new addition that I added this year, because I know some people prefer to, or are used to their week starting on Sunday or on Monday, and to cater to both audiences, I added this toggle. And as you see, the mini calendars will update according to whichever setting you choose. Now, here we have all our habits. And here you see the two habits that I just edited. If you were to add another habit, if you were to add more than 7 habits, what's another habit? Go for a run. You will notice that it does not appear in this overview. Don't worry, I left enough space for that inside the tracker. You will need to unhide the hidden rows. Here we have little triangles that you can click, and every row, or all the space that I left for extra habits to add, you now see here. Well, you only added one extra habit, so we don't need all these empty rows. So what we want to do is select all these rows, right click and hide, just in case you need them later again. All the way to the right, we can set a habit goal. Like, how many times per month do you want to do a habit? What was this? Yeah, yoga. We want to do yoga, I don't know, 15 times a month. We want to do meditation 30 times a month. And you see that the progress in percentage updates according to whichever number you fill out here. We also have, based on how many habits you tick off, the total number of times that you did a habit in this month, the current streak, which now is 5 in this row, the longest streak, and progress. Moving this over here. Yeah, that's it. That's all that you need to do. Conclusion, write your own habits, change the emojis. Select the year, the day on which you want to start the week, and your goal, your habit goal. And then the final thing, you want to either manually, just uncheck the habits which are here. They just served as an example so that you see how the emojis appear when you click on more habits. Yep. Happy habit tracking. Thanks for watching. Hope this is helpful. For all the years after 2024, you don't need to wait for me to update this manually because I edited the template finally so that you can just do this yourself. Unless Google makes some adjustment to the formulas and which break everything, but then there's nothing I can do. Happy habit tracking. Goodbye.